Hi, I'm Frédéric Fekkai, and today I want to show you how to apply a hair treatment. I put the hair on a ponytail. By doing that, now you can massage the whole tail with a treatment. It assures you that the whole tail will be treated, moisturized, hydrated. You massage it through like that, and don't forget the ends. The ends are always very dry. Sometimes I suggest to do just a little bone like this, secure it with a pin, and go to the gym. The hair doesn't look oily or greasy. It does actually look beautiful and has a wonderful texture. Then you can rinse it off. This hair treatment will leave your hair so silky, so shiny and moisturized.